Welcome to J Has
I've done
Heart.
the best I can. I will. I must. Right now I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Jabari Hall. And I came here today to share with you an important day. It's a day where I travel around this world and I speak to young people like you about one major thing, and that is dreaming big. It's a day where I share with you the power that you all have. Each one of you have the power to dream. Dream to be anything in this world. And there is no one that can stop you from becoming it. I can. I will. I must. It's levels. One time you're saying, I could do it. The next time you're saying, I will do it. The next time you're saying, I must do it. Hold your mirror up. Hold your mirror up. Let me hear you.
I can, I will, and I will do my best.
Here's how it looks. Here's how it looks. I can. Here's how it looks. I will. Here's how it looks. I must.
Mr. Hall and I don't want you to be here and spend 5 years in this school and settle for less than your best. So set your goals. Set it as small. Your goals can be as small, but here what would happen? You want small goal will grow. You would want to do something bigger, and then you want to do something bigger, and you know what it will become? It will become a pattern. When something becomes a pattern, what does happen? You just get a something.
Say it again.
I will set goals and stick to my
I
goals.
have a goal. My goal is to come to this school and impact one person's life. To accomplish it, I will give as much passion as I can. I will speak life into you as much as I can.
So now that you were able to witness what we did here today, yesterday, etc. Now you're able to witness what J Has Heart is about. Do you have any words to share of what your impression was and is?
Well, first of all, there's one word that comes to mind: energy. You really brought the energy. The energy of which you greeted the students, the way that you met the students, and even the way that you treated the students. That was superb. And I believe it left a long-lasting impression on our students. And that is something even we as teachers, as educators, can carry about, because energy is very important. And once we greet them with that positive vibe, as we would say, that positive energy, yes, the students will respond to it. And we can definitely carry everything. We can really transform lives in a positive way. So also, I realized our students really appreciated it. Yesterday, those 3 powerful, short, simple sentences: I can, I will, I must. That was really phenomenal. It really hits home. And yes,
Wow.
I would definitely say dream big day.
Wow.
And let's make it a dream big year and a dream big life.
Oh, wow.
Welcome to J Has Heart.
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 Welcome to J Has Heart.